Welcome to the SCCOE News Minute. I'm Jasmine Leyva from Public Affairs. Let's take a quick look at the top stories in Santa Clara County. The Fremont Union High School District, the Adult School, and Fremont High School celebrated their 100th anniversary. Congratulations on this milestone. During Mental Health Awareness Month, the SCCOE invites the community to join our #HeckAWell campaign. Join us in helping every child know authentic wellness by destigmatizing mental health and asking for support. Encourage middle and high school students to mark their calendars for June 1st. The Unity Youth Conference at the Santa Clara County Office of Education will celebrate the LGBTQ+ community during this youth-created and youth-led event. The conference will include workshops, speaker panels, and student artwork. To register, visit the link on your screen. That's it for our News Minute. If you have a story you'd like to share with us, please send an email to communications@sccoe.org or tag us on social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Have a fantastic day.